You know that feeling, you're exhausted, you're completely overwhelmed, and then a sharp word just slips out. Let's talk about that awful regret that follows and, more importantly, how to find the path back.
It happens so fast, doesn't it? One second you're fine, the next you're just pushed past your limit, and poof, the words are out there, harsher than you ever intended, and the whole room just goes silent.
And that wave of regret that washes over you immediately, that is not, I repeat, not a sign that you're a bad person or a failure. It's the total opposite. It's proof that you care, that your heart is in the right place.
But in that heavy silence, this deep fear can start to creep in, right? You start to wonder, oh no, am I actually damaging our love? Is this breaking something that we can't fix?
Okay, but listen, this is so important. A relationship isn't destroyed by one sharp moment. It's not the snap that does the damage. The real danger is when we don't try to repair that little tear afterwards.
So what's the solution? It's actually a really simple but powerful way to reconnect. It's not about complicated excuses, it's about being honest. Just 3 simple lines that can totally reset the moment.
Please remember this, that moment of anger, it does not define you. What truly defines your relationship, what makes it strong, is how you find your way back to each other.
You know, this is really just scratching the surface of how to navigate these tough moments with compassion. If you want to explore this a little deeper and get some more gentle guidance, please check out the full text. We've got it linked for you in the description.